In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom GPT in Grok AI. This process allows you to customize an AI to fit your unique style and needs. Whether you're looking to add personality or specific functions, customizing your own AI can be both fun and incredibly helpful. So, let's dive in and take this journey step by step. First, let's get started by opening up your web browser and heading over to Google. Now in the search bar, type in Grok and hit enter. This is going to bring up a variety of results, but what we're looking for is the official Grok website. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the Grok homepage, find and click on the Projects section. This is where the magic starts to happen. You're going to create a new project, and this requires giving your project a name. You can get as creative as you like with this. For our example today, we'll call it Flux. The naming part is always a small but exciting step. You're giving identity to your creation. After naming your project, it's time to add some personality by making an instruction. This is where you can define how your AI behaves and responds. You might go with something like a sharp, sarcastic AI with chaotic genius energy. The beauty here is that you can inject specific traits or tones that suit your needs or the audience you're catering to. Now, after you've set your project name and instruction, look for the Next button and click on it. This will take you to the next stage of setting up your custom AI. Keep in mind that each button click brings you one step closer to having your tailored GPT model. Once you've configured all the settings and you're satisfied with your creation, you'll find a Done button. Click on it to finalize the setup. It's important to note that finalizing doesn't mean you can't tweak it later. Customization is an ongoing process, and as you use your AI, you might come across areas you'd like to refine. Finally, it's time to test out your custom AI with a prompt. Type in a question or statement to see how your creation responds. For example, you might try, "Hey Flux, I liked my ex's 2017 vacation photo. What do I do?" This will give you a sense of whether your AI is responding as you expected and can help you identify any adjustments you might need to make. Once you've tested the response, you'll wrap up by clicking Submit. And there you have it. You've successfully created and tested your own custom GPT using Grok AI. With these steps, you now have the foundation to further explore and refine your AI model. Happy customizing!